Hey, it's Dave Rexroth here, WXYZ.com/weather. Thanks for checking out your forecast with us now. As we go along the 70 forecast, it certainly looks like tomorrow's the most interesting day here. Clouds thicken up overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning, probably around 7 o'clock or so. This could get started, moving in from the west. It looks like most areas have a chance to have some freezing rain, sleet, and or snow in the morning as it gets going. Probably up around I-69 and northward especially. More snow than anything else, but there even can be a little mixture there. That's 10 o'clock shot. Here's closer to 11. There may be a few breaks here and there, but opportunities continue through the day for it changing over to mostly snow. That's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So snow amounts aren't going to be a real big deal here, especially around Detroit. Looks like if you drew a line about at 8 Mile, from there south it's going to be less than an inch for total accumulation. Could be around an inch or so as you start getting to the northern suburbs. That's Livingston, Oakland, Macomb County. And then once you get up around I-69, Flint, Lapeer to Port Huron could be 2, and then perhaps 2 to 3 up in the thumb. So again, it's not a lot of snow, but got to watch out for some possible slipperiness and slick roads in the morning for the morning commute. All right, eventually tonight we get down to 24, just clouds around, no big deal. But then tomorrow, again, more interesting in the morning, 34 eventually. But we got a little slipperiness here and there, especially on the exposed surfaces like ramps, bridges, and overpasses to watch out for in the morning, especially if we get some freezing rain mixed in with that sleet and the snow. 34 Thursday, then a quick change back to the teens. Only 19 for a high on Friday, despite some sunshine. Trying to climb our way back through the 20s over the weekend. A 40% chance of snow right now on Sunday. Latest trend for that is to be a little farther south like last Sunday. But we'll keep track of that as we get close to the weekend. And it stays cold for quite a while.